careful of scaring monsters in these streets.
Easy, right, we're out in woods today. Going to be attempting to make a pizza. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Might work well or it might not. You never know though, do you? While we're walking, we're going to try and find some stuff to start the fire with. So far we found just some birch bark, but on a dead log on the floor. See what other stuff we can forage. And big enough as well for a pizza. We've got a big pizza, we're not making the pizza as well, we're just a shop bought one. It's just like a test really, see if it is possible to make a pizza on a campfire. We'll scrape the surface off. And get flint and steel. I use this to rest on actually, the bigger piece. See, got a nice pile of birch shavings. A few more. That should be sufficient enough. Well, we've got to get some more kindling as well. Got some leaves as well. Let's break this down into small pieces. Slowly feed it now, just to build it up. As you can see, birch bark is really good. Really good timber for starting a fire. Right, got plenty more birch bark as well. So let's load it up, make sure it's got sufficient amount, and just lift this off, pop it into the fire pit, like so. Get a few dead leaves on as well, just to get a boost. Get some small sticks now to build it up. I should have probably collected the small sticks in advance, but I didn't. This is what it is, I guess. There's plenty around his feet, so shouldn't be an issue to collect them.
need more than this.
Yeah, we eat bush pots as well, don't we, for chip pan. Right, so as you can see, when I get these, once I've got some nice embers on them, you can see the cook getting there nicer, and then once the fire's burnt down a bit, so I've got enough room to get us tray under, we'll get us pizza on. Then we've got the little portable stove, that's for us as oil and as pan to cook us chips in. So yeah. Right, so this is the current setup. That's how we're going to do his pizza. On the tray, just put it underneath. And we're just waiting for some nice embers on these upper logs, just to melt the tops and stuff. And we've got this ready to put the oil in, as you can see. A little chip pan. So yeah. Right guys, so it's time to put the pizza on. The moment of truth. It's going to put a few lot of sticks under, just to raise it up a bit off at bottom. And then just slide it under.
And I'm doing some chips.
Oh yeah, Rich is cutting chips up as well.
Can you see me from there?
Yeah. I don't know how well it's going to work, but I'll fucking smoke, man. It'll be a smoky piece of this. Not sure how well it's going to work, but you never know, do you? With these things. The only way you're going to know is by doing it and giving it a go. Putting the chips in. The oil's quite hot.
Right, a bit too much oil in it, maybe better. Right, till door. See how many I can get in.
Well guys, that's the finished product. As you can see, it's not cooked bad, to be honest. I say it's cooked on a campfire. And there are the chips. Yeah, I think that's a win, to be honest. So the answer to that question is you can cook pizza in the woods. Right guys, this pizza's ready. Oh, we're going to dig in now.
Yeah.
I didn't cut it too good, right? Get that out there.
Not bad, is it?
Right guys, well that's probably the end of the video, to be honest. We've, tied up after some, left it how we found it, just how you should really. Right guys, that's the end of the video. So if you did enjoy it, leave a like, and if you want to see some more content, subscribe, and leave a comment as well if you've got any recommendations of anything that we can cook in woods. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.